Not everyone has room for a train layout. Here are some ideas for a train-themed room. One idea is to place railroad logo plaques on the wall. They sell wooden plaques, plastic plaques, or aluminum plaques in the railroad stores. Here's an example of a wooden plaque, and it's made by Rail Plaque Company in Oak Park, Illinois. These are hard to find today because the quality changed. Now they sell plastic, but here's an example, and it comes in various logos of the railroads. Another idea is to place railroad shelves on the wall. These shelves come in different gauges, such as O, HO, LGB, etc. These are aluminum, and they have grooves which fits the track wheels. Just make sure you place them on the wall beams. Another idea is to place clocks or lamps around the room. A lot of these are vintage, so you can find them on eBay, and it gives the room a nice old style look. Here's an example of a caboose lantern replica that I bought online. It comes with a glass lantern, and you could either hardwire it into the wall, or it comes with a plug that you plug in, and you use the standard bulbs. Another idea is to blow up old photos of railroads or old postcards and place them in a frame. You could do this with a scanner, or you could have it professionally done. You can also decorate your room with plaques, such as this from the Train Collectors Association. Or this keychain rack. Another idea is to use window treatments, such as these train-themed drapes. These are from the mid-1980s. You could buy them online, but I bought these years ago in the Strasburg Railroad gift shop. And it has various railroads on them and the logos. If you have limited room, you can also place small shelves on the wall, such as these. You could use these shelves to display knickknacks or memorabilia from where you visited. Here are vintage drapes from the Wreck-A-Boost Motel in Strasburg, Pennsylvania. These used to be in the rooms in the 1970s to 1990s. These used to be available in the Wreck-A-Boost gift shop and the Strasburg Railroad gift shop in the 1970s and 80s. They have various pictures of trains through the decades and the logos of railroads.